Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Fantom price prediction in Fantom news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Fantom in 2022. Fantom is an open source and permissionless decentralized smart contract platform for decentralized applications and digital assets, one of many blockchain networks created to provide an alternative to Ethereum. The Fantom mainnet blockchain was launched in December 2019, and its network architecture aims to provide a viable solution to the blockchain trilemma by providing a stable balance of scalability, security, and decentralization. The Fantom Foundation was founded by South Korean computer scientist Dr. On Byung-ik. The current CEO of the platform is David Richardson, former managing director of Mid-Ocean Consulting. According to the official website, the Fantom team consists of engineers of various specializations, scientists, researchers, designers, and entrepreneurs. Employees are scattered all over the world in accordance with the spirit of the distributed platform. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Fantom. Fantom surpasses Ethereum on daily transaction volume. Ethereum is perceived as the blockchain where most transactions are happening. Much investment has gone into the blockchain, even though it has massive scalability issues. ETH 2.0, while not guaranteeing to fix the problems, is still a long way off. Therefore, such a comparatively small-ranked competitor, which is doing a similar amount of transaction volume, and is now beginning to even surpass the volume transacted on Ethereum, needs to be recognized as a serious contender for more investment. The above chart shows the Fantom daily transactions on FMScan. As well as a nice increase since May 21, we can also see that recently on 25 February, daily transactions peaked at 1.48 million. At the same time, if we look at the Ethereum daily transactions taken from Etherscan.io, then we can see that the transactions were actually less over the last few days. It cannot be argued that Fantom, which is a directed acyclic graph, DAG, rather than a blockchain, can be superior to Ethereum, which has much better stability and security. However, it does look like Fantom and its ecosystem have a lot of upside, considering the comparatively tiny market cap, compared with Ethereum and other Layer 1 blockchains. With Bitcoin starting to consolidate the break of the downward trend, altcoins such as Fantom, and many others in its ecosystem, could well be facing a lot of growth, especially if we do see another leg up for the bullrun. DeFi activity on Fantom is booming over the last months. Developers of the caliber of Andre Cronje have made Fantom their home, and the likes of Tomb Finance, Liquid Driver Finance, and now Cronje's Solidly project being recently launched, all eyes are on this ecosystem, alongside the Terra Luna ecosystem, as they look to dominate the yield farming space. The second news about First Mover Americas. Record low Bitcoin futures premium on Binance signals capitulation, BTC's inflows. Bitcoin failed to beat a key price resistance level early Wednesday, amid mixed action in traditional markets, and reports of the next round of peace talks between Ukraine and Russia. The biggest cryptocurrency by market value reached daily highs at the descending 100-day moving average, MA, hurdle at $45,000, before retreating to $44,000, according to chart platform TradingView. The cryptocurrency was still up 28% from last Thursday's one-month lows. The total crypto market capitalization rose past $2 trillion, as alternative cryptocurrencies charted a more significant recovery rally alongside Bitcoin's bounce. Programmable blockchain Terra's Luna token rose to a two-month high of $96, taking the week-on-week gain to 92%. The crypto recovery looks set to continue on increased demand from Russia and Ukraine, and as inflation expectations surged, and traditional markets priced out prospects of aggressive monetary tightening by central banks. Bitcoin is on a steady footing here, but we may meet increased resistance around $46,000 handle, Matthew Dibb, crew and co-founder of Stack Funds, said. Recent moves have shown evidence of the correlation between BTC and equities dropping. However, this is a crucial month for economic data that may hold some surprises. We believe this may sustain in the near term, given that there are new fund inflows for the month that must be allocated, Dibb added. While futures tied to the S&P 500 rose, European stocks dipped, and the Euro-US dollar exchange rate slipped to its lowest since March 2020. Markets likely saw the European economy taking a relatively bigger hit from the Ukraine-Russia war, and the West's punitive sanctions on Moscow. Gold took a bull breather while oil, industrial metals and grains were bid again, hinting at hotter inflation in coming months. Even so, money markets continue to scale back bets of monetary policy tightening by the Federal Reserve and the European Central Bank claims of fund loss from solidly liquidity pools. In conversation with BitCrypto, Cronje claimed that no bugs had been detected in any of the live smart contracts. He also specifically addressed the claims made by Niklas, stating, "That's the only thing that has happened, and that's due to users not confirming their output received. They then trade through low liquidity pools. This is not a loss of funds in liquidity pools. This is simply users trading via pairs that don't have liquidity, which again, is nothing on the protocol level." trouble at launch despite Crunch's assurances. It is interesting to note that this is the second time Solidly has been in the news for less than ideal reasons. The first time was the controversy surrounding its launch, where users were left frustrated due to confusion stemming from a power struggle between Solidex and Zero's DAO. It all started when Crunch distributed ownership to top Fantom protocols based on TVL, leading to a struggle between the two teams on Fantom. Even though Zero's DAO emerged stronger, the team announced that they were not ready for the launch. Users turned towards Solidex in light of this announcement. However, top pulls on Solidex were not providing any rewards, and liquidity providers were going empty-handed. Because of the immutable and non-upgradable nature of the smart contracts on Solidly and Solidex, the issue cannot be resolved entirely. The Solidex team is instead looking to ways to mitigate the problem. Today we will discuss the Fantom price prediction for 2022-2025. Is Fantom, FTM, a good investment? Now we will analyze this. FTM rate prediction 2022. FTM will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Fantom rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2022, the Fantom rate will be almost $2.21. The maximum bet we can get is $2.61. Fantom average price prediction for the end of 2022 could be around $2.28. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. FTM, price prediction 2023. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Fantom will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2023 FTM is expected to peak at $3.94. The minimum bet could rise to $3.19 if the market turns bullish. Price Fantom forecast 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Fantom could cross $5.52 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $4.76. FTM price forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Fantom price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average FTM price will rise to around $7.20 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $8.32 with a minimum price level $6.96. And what does 2026 promise us? FTM can reach $12.03 by 2026 with significant collaboration with financial institutions if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $9.96 for 2026, it could beat the latest price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2026.